Good morning, it's Monday, August the 8th, and this is your daily outlook. US dollar trading was extremely volatile and gripped the market this morning as traders reacted to the S&P downgrade for US long-term debt. The historic downgrade sent US stock futures down 300 points at the Asian Open, but this has been largely reversed as we enter the European session, given an emergency G7 meeting and aggressive ECB action. In US stocks on Friday, we saw the Dow up 60 points, closing at 11,444. The S&P was down 1 point, closing at 1,199. And the Nasdaq was down 23 points, closing at 2,532. The euro opened strong, trading above 144 on the euro dollar, given the US rating downgrade and talk over the weekend that the ECB would expand their bond buying to include Italian and Spanish debt. This initial bounce was reversed during the Asian session as the euro-yen reacted to the heavy stock market sell-off and the euro-Swiss fell on safe haven demand. The Japanese yen gapped lower on the dollar-yen from 78.50 to under 78, but found support on Bank of Japan comments that G7 will take appropriate action on FX and keep markets liquid. Intervention risks are noted under 78 and could prompt sharp movements higher, similar to Thursday and Friday last week. The Australian dollar was sold aggressively today in Asia as the risk-sensitive currency broke key support at 103.80 and tested 103. The Aussie yen is close to the 80 level, a very important support in recent trading history. Looking at commodities, we see gold surge above $1,700 to an all-time high as the alternative currency found fresh buying on the US rating downgrade. Oil fell another $3 a barrel in Asia towards $84 a barrel on concerns that the global economy was slipping towards recession given a global debt crisis. Now let's take a look at the currencies you should watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 142.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 142.60. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.55. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 1044 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1044. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 163.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 163.60. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9770 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9770. Now looking at commodities, we have the oil pivot point at 87 with a preference to enter in short positions at 87. The gold pivot point is at 1681 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1681. And the silver pivot point is at 39 with a preference to enter into long positions at 39. We have no major market movers on the calendar today, so let's look at equity markets. US equities were mixed on Friday with the S&P 500 down 0.06% and the Dow was up 0.54%. The European bourses were negative with the FTSE down 0.45%, the DAX was down 0.16% and the CAC was down 1.26%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 2.18% and the Hang Seng was down 2.27%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.